let's talk about one of the very important topics, and that is Accelerate Vigyan scheme. Now, this scheme has been recently released. Let's first understand where this scheme is and what are the basic aspects that we need to cover. So, first of all, the scheme has been launched by the Science and Engineering Research Board. This is a very important question and can be directly part of your examination. So, Science and Engineering Research Board has started this scheme. It has three important visions that are there. So those three visions are promoting scientific programs, focusing on orientation and workshops, and finally opportunities for internships in research. So this is again a new concept, bringing bringing internship opportunities for research projects. Now here the idea is to create a knowledge based economy and encourage more higher level scientific thinking. With this idea, Accelerate Vigyan has started. So there are two components. One is the skill development, the other is bringing together. Now when we talk about the skill development, it focuses on high-end workshops, talking about the research internships, and then for the bringing together, we have the various activities like seminars, symposiums, chronicles, and so on. So there are two major programs that are part of it. One is Abhyas and other is Sammohan. So under the program Abhyas, we have two important aspects that are there. Now for this, the applications for the winter season focuses mainly on Abhyas, and it aims to groom the students coming up for the PhD, the PG students who are interested into research activities. So there are two ways under which they can get involved. The first is high-end workshops, which are known as the Karyashalas, and the next is the research internships, which is known as Vritika. So the two components of Abhyas program. So firstly, the scheme itself, the Accelerate Vigyan scheme or the AV scheme, has two components, which is Abhyas and Sammohan. And then Abhyas again has two components, which is Karyashala and Vritika. And then Sammohan again has two components, which is the Sanyojika and the Sangoshti. Now first talking about the Abhyas program itself, you have research opportunities which is available to a limited few. The idea is to expose the infrastructure and the facility to more students. Under the Sammohan program, as we said, we have two further subcomponents, which is the Sanyojika and the Sangoshti. Sangoshti talks about, as the name suggests, so you have organization of workshops, and Sanyojika is open-ended programs for capacity building, and this is mainly funded by the government agencies. Now all of these programs aim to develop skilled manpower across various disciplines and a kind of interdisciplinary approach for various research projects. So that's again important. Now as we said, this program has been launched by SERB. Now SERB is a body which lies under the DST, that is the Department of Science and Technology. It was established in 2009 by the Act of the Parliament, and you have senior members and other government panelists, eminent scientists who are members of SERB. So it focuses for providing research in the field of science and technology and financing the research assistance to the scientists, academicians, research laboratories, and the various industries concerned. So SERB plays a very important role, and it's a statutory body. Now the difference between the statutory and the judicial, quasi-judicial bodies we have understood in a separate lecture. Now this topic is very important as part of your expected questions for higher education and your NET examination as well. One of the very important components for scientific development and higher educational research. We would be covering many such interesting topics in the upcoming sessions, so stay tuned. Have a wonderful day ahead.